Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you DIY slime with just flour and shampoo. So yeah, let's get to the video. So first we add some water, a cup of water, and shampoo, little amount of shampoo. Add a few drops of coloring. It depends on how dark you want the coloring, and you can use any color. I used the green one. And some flour. Add the flour. Stir the mixture together. Add a little flour. If the mixture is not thick, you add a little flour. You keep on adding the flour until your mixture is very thick, like this mixture over here. After that, add baby oil, few drops of baby oil to make the mixture slimy, like slimy. Then you knead the dough together. You keep on kneading it until the dough is completely smooth. So yeah, you probably knead it on the wall or on your tray. And now my mixture is very smooth now, very smooth. As you can see, it's very smooth. So yeah, then you cover it for an hour to make the mixture absorb the moisture. Then you add your baby oil again, and you see the slime so stretchy, so satisfying. Wow, I really love it. Very fun to use and easy to make. That is it. That is slime. So please guys, go to my other videos. I have more videos on how to make slime. I do dyes, any dyes, how to make them all. Thanks for watching. I'm so grateful. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye guys.